Hindi kami papasok sa joint session na hindi namin sigurado na voting separately. Kasi nga, nagkaroon ng concern, what if, may mga scenarios eh. What if one or two senators would be invited by the House, leadership, the House, as a body, to attend the joint session. So, ang ano doon is, that could be a semblance of participation by the Senate. And pwede sabihin ng House, meron kaming joint session with the Senate. So, nagkaroon kami din. Total, nagkasundo na rin kami na we will not allow ourselves, di ba, to be drowned out pagdating ng pagka nagkaroon ng Constituent Assembly ng two bodies. So, sabi ko, para lang medyo matibay yung usapan natin, baka pwede magkasundo-sundo tayo na i-expel natin yung whoever, kung sino yung member or members na sasama sa ganong arrangement without the benefit of a resolution adopted by the body. And nobody objected, so I assume na pahig naman sila lahat. Now, mechanism, nag-usap kami ni Senator Drilon, pwede man gamitin yung mechanism ng Ethics Committee, hindi ba? And we'll constitute it into a committee of the whole to try yung erring member. Some suggested na i-censure. Sabi ko, censure is the lightest of all punishments. And treachery, parang kumbaga sa, although hindi applicable yung offense na yun, parang treason, di ba? Kasi you turn your back on your colleagues. Nung initially kasi nag-close ranks na kami, okay, we are all agreed na talagang sama-sama tayo. Kaya nga sabi ko, di ba, what happened in yesterday's caucus, it effectively blurred the dividing line, the line that divides the majority and the minority. Walang distinction eh, isa lang yung honest sentiment.